Alright, we're going to get out here and start the excavator up. I'm going to get this ditch cleaned up here. Hopefully one last time we'll fill it with some sand or rock and try to get it covered up. I'm going to get the smooth bucket on there to clean this ditch out. There we go. Alright. Got everything locked in. We're going to start up here and then come down. So let's set you up here. This is what we're working on getting cleaned out here. All right, we got the first pass on this. I am going to come back and clean it up. For some reason my video stopped. I don't know if the battery went dead or what. Or if I didn't push play. I don't know. Anyway, so we got the first pass on there to that corner. I got the excavator back on this side. So I'm going to work with it from there. I'm going to come back along the side here and clean up this ditch. And then we should be finished with this little project, but we're going to get this cleaned up here next. Kind of a pain, and I'm not experienced enough to get a good flow there, so I'm having to go having to go back over it to try to get the water to flow the way it needs to flow down here. I'm probably going to have to do some of it by hand. Well, I think I've taken this about as far as I can take it. It's not exactly perfect, but we're going to be backfilling with number 2 rock anyway. But it goes all the way down there, and then it will dump out into the creek, which will then go to the pond and overflow. But I think this is going to capture the majority of the water back here. I just need to get these dirt piles picked up and get all this spread back out where it's nice and level. But anyway, yeah, here we go. All right, I am down here now. I need to get the stuff moved off of this burn pile, clean the pit out, and then restack stuff in there. It just could not get stuff burnt down there at the bottom, so I'm gonna move this stuff, put the pallets at the bottom, and then maybe put some wood up on top. If we get those pallets started, it should burn. So we're gonna get this cleaned up here now. Okay, I got this dug out, I think enough to where I can start putting the logs in here and then placing the firewood on there so I can get this burnt. So that's what we're going to do now. Alright, I gotta go get the tractor and load some more pallets on here, and then I can get the rest of that brush on there. I feel better about having some drier stuff in there and trying to get this started. So let me go get the tractor and we'll get that on there. Alright, we're gonna work on getting this burned. I put a little bit of diesel on there and got these pallets. We're gonna try to get this started and burned. Supposed to rain tonight, and it rained earlier today, so good day to burn. So I'm going to go get an excavator and feed this a little bit. Still there? Oh, you may have got a little hot sitting there. Forgot about you. Yeah, we got it going now. We're gonna let that die down a little bit. Get the tractor out of here. We're gonna let that burn, and I'm gonna stay down here and watch it, let it die down, and then I don't know if I'll put the rest of this stuff on there, if I'm gonna cut that up for firewood, not sure. Main thing is I wanted to get that burnt, so this may be where we're gonna end this video. I appreciate you watching Rolling Country Outdoors, and yeah, I wanted to get this done before Ann's sister and mom came into town. Look a lot better. So anyway, another item marked off our list, to-do list. So thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors, and we'll catch you next video. Take care.